Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess. If you are not, welcome back. If you are new, I would love for you to go down there and click that big red subscribe button. I am only 2 subscribers away from 100 subscribers and I would like to do a giveaway at 100, so I would love for you to join my YouTube fam here. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So for today's video, I have kind of a random unboxing. I was scrolling through, I think it was Instagram, and I saw one of these ads for this website Moda, like FEW space MODA, and it says that it's like a wholesale like membership type of place. It's a high fashion wholesale club. So if you join it, it's $120 per year. And it says shop at wholesale prices, shop weekly new arrivals at wholesale prices, which is 50 to 70% off of retail, plus free shippings and returns. And it says guaranteed savings. If you don't make back your membership fee in savings, we'll refund you the difference, which I guess is kind of cool. So I saw that they had a mystery box. I'd never heard of this brand before, but I figured I'd give it a try. I really like doing like unboxings as far as like clothing items go. So if you just go to their website, it says a Few Moda mystery box, and you just click on that. So this is the Few Moda mystery box website, and if you scroll down, it says that it's 50 USD, but should be worth around 420 USD. And there's an option between the 2-box item or the 3-box item. I got mine in a size extra small, and then I also did a little bit of everything. So I think I also got 10% off, so I think I only paid about 40 something dollars. I do think I paid for shipping, but to be honest, I got this box so long ago. And it's just kind of been sitting here waiting for me to open it, so I do apologize. I don't know the prices of these items because I haven't unboxed these items yet. So what I will do is whenever I go to the description box, I'll try and find the price for the item and the kind of link for it, just in case you guys are interested. I have no idea what's in the box. The only thing I've done is kind of like cut the packaging so I can get in there. So let me grab the first item. I apologize if you guys can see my mic. So this first item is a skirt. This is very interesting. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm not one for geometric shapes or color blocking, so this kind of weird pattern right here is a little strange. I don't know how I feel about it. I do real estate, but I don't really go into the office that often. So I don't know how I feel about this. I'm gonna have to wait to see what it looks like on. I don't know, the material is really nice. It's really, really thick. It's a little bit stretchy, like towards the bottom. Actually, I don't think it's stretchy at all. Yeah, well, it's a little bit stretchy, but not too stretchy. I don't know how I feel about this whole thing right here, but I guess we'll have to see what it looks like on the try-on. Next up, it looks like this is gonna be a little dress. And I'm not really one for polka dots, so I'm not really sure how I feel about this. Okay, so this is the dress. It looks kind of like a little smock dress, almost. So it's cute, and it's got this little detail in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see that, where it kind of like goes down in ruches in the center, and then it is off the shoulder, it looks like. These puff sleeves are cute, and then it does have like a cuff, not a cuff sleeve, but kind of like a, yeah, I guess kind of a cuff sleeve, and then it's a little bit see-through, like a mesh towards the ends. So that's pretty cute. I am going out of town soon, so maybe I will wear this, just depending on how it looks. But it is really nice. It looks like it is double lined, so yeah, we'll have to give this a shot. Right, this next one also looks like it's gonna be a dress. This is a really, really thick material. Oh wow. Okay, so this is a very long dress, but very, very pretty, very well made. It's pretty heavy, but it's a beautiful kind of like tan dress with lace overlay, and it's really nice because if you I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got rubber right here to keep these straps from falling off the shoulders. Really, really nice. And it looks like it's got kind of a seam here to kind of cut you at, you know, right underneath the boobs, which is nice. And then it does have padding on the inside, so you don't need to wear a bra, which is lovely because I hate wearing bras. But yeah, this is a beautiful long dress. I have no idea where I'm going to wear this to, but really, really nice. And then if you look at the bottom, it kind of has this, like the lace overlay. So this is definitely going to be like a midi kind of calf length on me, just because I am only 5'2", and it looks really, really long. So it might even be like a full length dress. And then in the back it does have a little slit right here, but because I'm so short I would probably bring the slit up a little bit more, but still really, really nice. Again, I don't know, oh, and it does have a zip in the back as well. I think so far this is going to be my favorite, although I have absolutely nowhere to wear this to and no sort of occasion at all, but really, really nice. I would have to say my least favorite is the skirt. I don't think I'll ever wear this. I'm just not a fan of color blocking, or I think that's what it's called, color blocking, but it's just so random to have this kind of seam right here. This polka dot dress, I'm on the fence about. I have to see what it looks like on, but I guess it could be cute, just depending on how you style it. So that was it for my quick little unboxing from Moda. I really, really hope you guys enjoy it. I love doing these kinds of videos. But like I said, if you haven't already, I would love for you to join my YouTube family here. And thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time. Bye, guys.